In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass remove paragraph breaks in Google Docs. If you've ever pasted text from an email, a PDF, or a website and ended up with short, choppy lines that don't stretch across the page, you've run into unwanted paragraph breaks. Manually deleting them line by line is slow and frustrating, and even using clear formatting won't fix it. The fastest, cleanest solution is to use a simple add-on called Text Cleaner. Start by opening the Google Docs file where the formatting is off. Make sure you can see the text that's breaking at the wrong places so you'll notice the improvement right away. Next, install the Text Cleaner add-on. At the top of Google Docs, click Extensions, or it might appear as add-ons depending on your interface. Choose Get Add-ons to open the Google Workspace Marketplace, then search for Text Cleaner. Click Install and follow the prompts to grant permissions. This is a trusted tool designed specifically to tidy up text, and installation only takes a moment. With the add-on installed, select the content you want to fix. If you want to repair the entire document, it's fastest to press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to select everything at once. If you only need to fix a section, just drag to highlight that portion. Now run the cleanup, go back to Extensions, hover over Text Cleaner, and choose Remove Paragraph Breaks. The add-on will scan your selection and remove those unwanted hard breaks instantly. Merging lines so your text flows as proper paragraphs instead of short, jagged lines. Take a look at your document to confirm the results. Your text should now fill the full width of the page and be organized into normal paragraphs, which makes it far easier to read and edit. If you're working with very large documents, give it a second to finish applying the changes. Here's why this works so well. When you paste from other sources, invisible paragraph markers often come along, forcing new lines even when you don't want them. Clearing formatting won't remove those markers, and doing it manually is too time-consuming. Text Cleaner automates the process and applies the fix everywhere in one go. As a bonus, the same add-on can remove line breaks, delete extra spaces and tabs, and strip links and underlining, which is especially handy for cleaning up copied web content. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.